Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am making homemade ranch. I got this recipe from Kolby Cash on TikTok, and I will link all the ingredients in the description box. So first we'll be starting off with a half a cup of mayo. Then we're going to add a half a cup of sour cream, and then a half a cup of buttermilk. Then we're going to mix that up really well. Now we're going to add our seasonings. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic, onion, and cayenne pepper, fresh dill, and 2 teaspoons of ranch seasoning. And then you're going to mix that up really well. Now you want to squeeze a half a lemon. Make sure everything's all mixed together and let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. Now it's ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.